did I put it? Oh, that was so stressful. Get it? Hey guys, what is going on? It's Kyle, the Lawn Mentor here. I hope you are having a great week. I hope that you are not too stressed out. I hope that this year hasn't been too stressful for you. I hope your lawn's not stressed out. But if your lawn's stressed out, there's something you can do about it. In today's video, I want to talk about Stress Blend, one of the newer fertilizers that Yard Mastery has put out. Their custom blend for especially our cool season lawns in this summer heat that we got coming up here. Talk about what's in it and why you might want to buy it. Slapability. So Yard Mastery has come out with 4 new fertilizers this year. We've talked about Flagship on this channel already, which is one of the 4. They also have a fertilizer out there called Double Dark, which has some extra iron in it to get that dark blue-green look on your lawn. They have a starter fertilizer, and they also have this fertilizer, which is Stress Blend. So Stress Blend is a 7-0-20 fertilizer, which means that it has 7% nitrogen, 0% phosphorus, and 20% potassium. And the reason why it's called Stress Blend is because of that 20% potassium. When it comes to plant health, potassium is the macronutrient that really is responsible for overall health of the plant and helps with things like helping to improve the cellular structure of the cell walls of the plant, which ultimately leads to turf that will stand up taller and be able to put up with the heat of summer that it has to deal with. It also helps with disease and overall health of the plant. So that's why it's called Stress Blend. But that doesn't mean that you have to wait until your grass is under stress to put this on your lawn. You guys know on my channel that I'm a big proponent of soil tests, and I'm a big proponent of not putting something on your lawn unless you need it. So I went ahead and purchased this bag of Stress Blend because my soil test showed that I was deficient in K. And this is a fertilizer that is higher in K than N or P. Now throughout the course of the spring, did put Flagship on my lawn to help to get some nitrogen back into the soil that the plant could use. But if you look at the analysis of Flagship, it doesn't have a ton of K in it. And so in order to get my K levels up, I need to apply a fertilizer that's higher in K. Thankfully, 002 Microgreen and Aerate from the Biostimulant Pack have some potassium in them. But in order to really bring those levels up and help the grass stay healthy through the summer, you'll want to go ahead and pick up something that is higher in K, like Stress Blend, to apply to your lawn. So one thing you might be wondering about is, can't I just go to the big box store and buy a fertilizer that has a really high third number? Or could I put something down like sulfate of potash, or something that's a specialty product that only has potassium in it? And you could, but here's why I think you should buy Stress Blend if you have a K deficiency. Stress Blend, just like Flagship, comes spiked with Bionite, which is an excellent carbon source for your soil and will help to stimulate microbial activity in your soil. It comes juiced with 3% iron, and you've also got other micronutrients in this fertilizer that you will not get from a regular fertilizer from your big box store. And that 3% iron that's in here is what's going to help give you a great color response. When I was applying flagship to my lawn in the spring, I noticed that usually right around day 7 or 8 was when I could tell a noticeable color difference in the lawn. And I expect the same results from Stress Blend. So like I was talking about earlier, you don't have to wait until you see signs of stress in your lawn to apply a fertilizer that has a higher percentage of K. In fact, you're better off to maintain a healthier lawn throughout the entire season to apply those products to the lawn before you actually see evidence of stress in the lawn. So right now is prime time before we get into those long days with lots of sunshine, high temperatures, not so much rain. Right now is a good time to get a good dose of potassium down into your soil so the plant can take that up and be ready to deal with all those environmental factors coming into play. Right here it says cool season lawns, bluegrass, fescue, and ryegrass, and summer and fall. Actually, it says fall. Dear Alan and Brett, please explain fall. Actually, what this is supposed to say is late fall. So I'm gonna guess one of the reasons you came to watch this video is to know if you should buy this. And do I recommend it? Yes. Do you need to buy it? I don't know. If you're asking me if you could get good results from this, yeah, you could, definitely. It has nitrogen in it, which is great for grass. It's got potassium in it, it's got micronutrients. It's got iron for color response, it's got bionite. Yeah, it's got all the ingredients that you would want in a fertilizer to be good for your lawn, but the real question is, do you need to buy this? And that's the question that only you can answer. You're the one that looks at your lawn every day. You're the one that knows how much you water your lawn, how you mow your lawn, how it's responding to the heat, if it's going brown right now. And most importantly, you should have done a soil test. If you haven't done a soil test, I don't know how many times you need to ask people to do a soil test, but I'm going to keep doing it because I believe in it. I believe in doing things that are supported by data, not just because somebody told you to buy a product. So my answer to that question would be, if you did a soil test and you are deficient in K, yes, you should buy this product. If your K is off the charts, which is very unlikely, but if your K is off the charts, you don't necessarily need something that's higher in K. So take a look at your soil test, let the results of your soil test drive your decision making, and if you're looking for a high quality product that will meet those needs, then yeah, I recommend Stress Blend. Smells like success. So the color of the prills is a little different than flagship. We have some kind of more orangish red prills in here. We have blue prills, gray prills, all sorts of prills, but the size of the prills is actually very nice. It's very small, so that should flow through your spreader nice and easy, and it'll be easy to throw down into the lawn. I like the color scheme. So for those of you who have been asking what I'm going to be using in the summertime, this is it. So this is what I'll be using through the summer, and I may switch back to flagship in the fall depending on how the lawn is reacting and responding. I was pretty deficient in both N and K according to my soil test, so can't go wrong. This has N and K in it, so who knows, maybe I'll come back to Stress Blend as we get down into the fall temperatures. We'll see how it goes. The bag rate on Stress Blend is 3 pounds per thousand. I don't see a need to go any higher than that. I'll probably do 3 pounds per thousand, 4 weeks apart, 3-4 weeks apart, and see how the lawn responds to that in terms of application rates. If you want to go ahead and pick up some Stress Blend, I will leave a link in the description where you can pick some up. And as a reminder, those affiliate links do not cost you any more money to use them. So for those of you who have been using those links, I truly appreciate it. Those kinds of contributions are what help to motivate me, and your subscriptions also help to motivate me to make more content. We'll have some more videos coming up about throwing down some Stress Blend, and let me know down in the comments if you're picking up some Stress Blend, and let me know what other kind of videos you guys would like to see. I want to make videos that you guys are going to want to watch, and so if you have any questions about any of the products that I use, if you have any questions about the equipment that I use, if you want me to review some of the equipment that I use, let me know. I'm thinking about doing a Ryobi backpack sprayer review, so if that's something you guys would like to see, drop something down in the comments for me. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Thank you to those who have subscribed. If you haven't subscribed already, please consider it. I really appreciate it. Have a great week, and I'll see you next time. Send me stickers so I can struggle on camera to get them off the paper.